Hello, welcome to my show Audrey's Kitchen. I am Audrey. Today I am going to show you how to make duck egg curry. In my video, I am trying to show you the basic recipes. Once you know the basic, you can always explore as you like it. Almost all Assamese have ducks at their home rather than chicken. Turmeric and salt. Mix it very well. Fry the eggs brown and outside crispy in mustard oil. Here is our pan. Oil is ready. Keep aside. Add the phoron, not too much, be careful. Now slice the onion. Chopped tomato. And bit of salt. We have boiled the potatoes. Crush these potatoes. Add the ginger and chili paste. Add some chili powder. And of course some turmeric powder. Add some water into the crushed potato. Add these potatoes. We are going to add more salt and more water. Duck eggs. Our egg curry is almost ready. Now we are going to check the seasoning. Very hot. Yeah, it's done. Our egg curry is ready. You can have it with rice, roti, puri, as you like it. See, these are very fresh from my mother's garden. Garnish the curry with coriander. See you with another episode of Audrey's Kitchen.